Hello, in this video we will see how to send data from Bot Builder to Automation Builder. So first go to Automation Builder, click on Webhook, Custom Webhook, enter Webhook title, click on Generate Hook, copy this URL and save this. Now go to Bot Builder. Here you will have to add Automation app. Click on External API call. Select method as post. Paste your webhook URL here. Here select body type as JSON. Your body will look something like this. For example, customer number, double inverted commas, and then I can simply map WABA here, comma, enter. Go to Automation Builder and here click on Capture Incoming Webhook, and in the Bot Builder click on Run and Save. We can see that data is received here. Thank you.